Recording.
Hello. Keep going. Hello and welcome to my tutorial on how to set up a microphone and make an audio recording. We are here in the studio C24 space. Why don't you follow me and we'll see what's going on. Now, first thing we're going to want to do is fire up the computer. And I've already done that to save us a little bit of waiting time, as these old Macs are a little bit slow. But we have our Pro Tools session already here. We're going to make a new track. Here we go. First, we're going to go here, go into track, create a new track, create an audio track. And now, as you can see, this thing right here has shot up. The track is activated. Okay, wonderful. Next, we're going to want to turn on the speakers, which have already been turned on, thanks to our lovely helper, Ethan. Alright, so we're going to move over to the patch bay. Why don't you come over here for a closer look. This is a nice patch cable. Now, conveniently, the preamp outputs are already patched directly to the Pro Tools outputs. As you can see, 1 to 1, 2 to 2, so we won't have to worry about that. But we do have to worry about the second one. We're going to take our Q left output, plug it in here, and then we're going to bring that to the mic snake A send. Now the mic snake is right over here. Isn't that nice? So, next we have our headphone distribution amplifier model HA4400. And that is already plugged in, so we've got some electricity going. And what that's going to do is take signal from here, put it through here, and put it into the headphones so that our musician or recorder can hear what's going on in the studio. This enables things like the talkback function here, so people in the studio can tell the person in the other room what's going on, and so they can hear the mix from the computer. So, we are going to get our mic, which already has one side of the cable in. We're going to connect that into long cable here, into the first input right here onto the snake. Just like that. Wonderful. And then we can take this cord from the patch bay A, which, as we have already hooked up to the Q out, will go in right here. On the other side of that, we'll connect right into our headphone amplifier. Plug that in right here. Alright. Next, we can plug in our headphones directly into the first one, which lines up with the first cord here. It's a little sliding around. Right into the headphone out. Just like that. Now, I'm going to make sure these are on, and then we're going to turn the whole box on. Didn't get zapped that time. That's wonderful. Now, we can come back to the computer and see what's going on. So, I don't like this view. Let's get, okay, here we go. So, we're going to arm the track like this. We're ready to record. And as you can see, there's a little something being picked up here. We're going to swing it over here to the console and make sure that our tracks are armed, ready to go. Looks like it's ready to record. The source is from the mic, and that looks good. Sliding over to here, we have our main going to the Q. We have the control room volume, we have the headphone volume, talkback looks ready to go. And also importantly, one thing that was already turned on was right over here, the plus 48 volt. So we're going to need that for our condenser microphone because it needs to be powered. Next, we're going to create a click track. That's very simple. Track create click track just so we can tell if things are happening. So we're going to click play, and we hear it on the speakers. That's a good sign. Do we hear it in the headphones? I'm pretty sure we do. Could just be that, but I think that's pretty good. Let's see. All right, seems good. So we're gonna want to mute the control room and turn the volume down in that so we don't have to hear that. All right, should be okay. And now it's just in the headphones. Great. Next, we're going to make a recording. We're going to arm the track, go over here, and let's test it out. Hello and welcome to the wonderful tutorial on how to set up a microphone in the C24 studio. I'm your host, Zamir Burnback, and we are here to talk about... Okay, looks like we're good to go. Yeah, nice. All right, so let's play that back. Turn on the control room sound. All right, looks good. Let's mute this click track and let's play it. This is me walking over to the microphone. Hello and welcome to the wonderful tutorial on how to set up a microphone in the C24 studio. I'm your host, Zamir Burnback, and we are here to talk about... Okay, looks like we're good to go. Looks like we're good to go. Excellent. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed that video, and please stay tuned for the high-fidelity audio recording of music ecology.